All right, so right now I want to set this up um, with the Nvidia Jetson Orin Nano. So I've got my screwdrivers here. I actually don't know which one is gonna work, so I just brought all of them out. All right, so let's get our hands dirty. Yep, there it is. Check it out. Okay, this is what we have here. The NVMe. And this is sorry, this is upside down. This is a Micron Crucial P510, P510 or P510, I don't know. PCIe Gen 5 NVMe 2280 M2 SSD. That is what we have here. Let me see. Yeah, okay. I think it's better this way. So this is what we have. And we are going to install in this. Okay. So, I suspect, right? I suspect it goes here. Or, wait, hold on. Look at this. Okay, it's here instead. Sorry. I'll turn it this way. Just so you can see what I'm doing. Here. Here. Because if I put it like this, if I put it like this, see, it's the shape it should be. All right, so let's get it. So testing this one first to see if this works. Nope, this doesn't work. Next one, this one. Yep, doesn't work as well. So I guess it's this one, because previously I've actually used this one. I used this on the AGX Orin, so I suspect this is going to be the one that works. So fingers crossed. Okay, we've got a problem. Yeah, this is yeah, I just don't want to risk spoiling this. Okay, it's not turning. It's not. There's another screwdriver here. Let me see. I actually don't know where I got this, to be honest. But let's see. Wow. This is pretty hard to come off. Let's try this one again. Yo. This is the struggle. Yo, this is a real problem. Yo, you're joking. Oh my god. Do you know what was happening? I was doing it the wrong way. I was doing it the wrong way. Oh shit. I was doing it the wrong way. Don't be like me, people. I was supposed to wait, this is clockwise, anti-clockwise. I was supposed to do it anti-clockwise, not clockwise. Maybe because I turned it this way. Well, at least we sorted that out. Okay, so there it is here. Now, so put this down first, and this is going to go here. Okay, that is in. Then we put our screw back. So anti-clockwise. Oh, now it's clockwise, right? So I went like this. No, I went like this, clockwise. Hey yo. Yeah, clockwise now. Yes, excellent. I think that is safely in. It's still tuning. Or not? Just to be sure. Let's get this one in as well. You see, even this one works. Oh my days. You must stop. Don't be like me, folks. Learn from my mistake. Okay. Beautiful, isn't it? So we've got our NVMe installed. Good. Now we can start the setup process.